If you want to export a report, you can go into your job, and from any page, you can click at the top right of the screen, job settings, and in the drop down, you can select export and reports. And there's a number of reports available for you. The first one is a CSV, so comma separated values of all the data in your inventory with all the different columns and fields. You also have the same option with a spreadsheet with the ContentsPal Excel option. And then the third option is an Excel with the format that you can import your inventories into Xactimate. Then you have job reports, which include the valuations Excel report, the spreadsheet of the valuation tab over here with all the ACV and RCV values of the different items inventoried with depreciation automatically applied to them. You also have the replacement PDF, which includes the inventory with the replacements of the items. The inventory PDF is a PDF that includes images as well as the salvageable inventory. The non-salvageable PDF, again, includes an inventory of the non-salvageable items. And the photo report PDF includes pictures of everything. The main difference between the inventory PDF, non-salvageable PDF, and the photo report PDF is that the photo report PDF includes bigger pictures. The other one is you can request your image files, and this will download all the images that you've taken on that job, including room photos, job photos, and the actual inventory photos. So I'll just show you real quick the inventory PDF, how it looks. When you click on any of those, you have different options to customize it. You can split the report by room. You can include your organization's logo if you want to customize it. You can include non-salvageable items as well in this one. And then you can customize the columns that you include, such as the image, the model of the item, the salvage category, the label, the name and description, the size, the quantity comments, the brand, the condition, and the room. So you can click and select the ones you want to include or the ones you want to exclude. And when you click Generate PDF, this generates a PDF that will open in a new tab. So it's very important when this happens that you enable pop-ups in the browser. Some people have them blocked by default. So if you do have it blocked, it's going to show up here. If you're using Chrome, it's going to ask you if you want to let it open a new tab for you. And once the report is ready, it will open up in a different tab. This is how the inventory reports look like. So as you can see, it's very detailed. It has all the information that you choose. Then it has all the images, the description, and so on. All this is clickable. So if you click on it, it will open the detailed view of that object. I'll show you the photo report PDF as well. If you decide if you want to split by room, if you want to include your logo, if you want to show quantity, the estimated cost, and the timestamp in which the picture was taken. And if you generate the PDF, this will, again, open a new tab. Bear in mind that as you're waiting for this, you can click out of the modal, but large reports will take a little bit to generate because of the sheer number of images that you're rendering for the report. But again, you can click out of it and be doing other things as this is generating. And when it's ready, it's going to open a new tab. You just want to make sure that that is enabled in your browser so that when it's ready, it opens that tab and you're able to access that report. I want to note that the report, when it opens in a new tab, what you get is a URL. So here it is, the new report that I generated for the picture view. You can download this report by clicking on the download button, but you can also just copy paste the URL and send it to whoever you need to send it. So here is an example. You have the large pictures for room. These are the job photos. These are room photos. And then you have the individual items for that job. You can download this and send it to the policyholder or the adjuster, or you can send them a link. Just bear in mind that the links do expire for security and privacy reasons. So those are the main reports you can export from a job. The last one is if your job has non-salvageable items, you can also send a non-salvageable view by clicking here, request disposal approval. You can type the policyholder or adjuster's email, and this will send them an email that you can customize with a link. That link shows all the non-salvageable items of that job. This is very handy if you have a long non-salvageable list. The policyholder can click on them. They can change the age of the item. They can leave comments, and once they're done, they can approve and sign that inventory. Therefore, you get an electronic approval of the disposal for those non-salvageable items.